friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a budget with me for the last week of August. So I already put a breakdown right here of what I'm planning on stuffing, the amount that each category is going to get, and then my total amount that I'm stuffing. Next week, I am planning on taking about $500 from my cushion, and I plan on having about $500 from my paycheck. I want to take some money out of my cushion just because there's kind of a lot of money in there that doesn't need to just be sitting there. I'd rather take it out and allocate it to a sinking fund. So that's what we're doing this week. So it's a little different. So what I do when I plan, I usually do it on a piece of paper, but I did it on my iPad this week just to kind of show you some different ways that you can do it. But this is all of my categories from my cash envelopes, my bills, and my sinking funds. So I break down all my categories and then I just do the math and figure out what I want to put in each one. So my cash envelopes are going to be getting about $300. My bills are going to be getting $280, and then $420 is going into my sinking funds, and that totals up to be $1,000. So let's get down into breaking it up. So this is my paycheck breakdown sheet. I put income 500, which is what my income will be, but we're going to be stuffing 1,000, and then I'm going to do black. So for groceries, I'm going to do 50. I still have money in groceries, which I think that's going to roll over. Eating out is going to get 20. Car, coffee, and vape are all going to be getting $10. Beauty is going to be getting 20. Shopping is going to be getting 100. I've been shopping a lot, and there's no way to really justify it. I'm just putting $100 in there. And then Miles is getting $40 because he has been having some health problems. If you have a boy cat, sometimes they get UTIs and stuff. So he had to be put on prescription food, and he had a vet visit, so that kind of depleted his envelope a little bit. So I'm just going to put some more money in there for him for more food, litter, and anything else he's going to need. Our home category is going to be getting $40, and then that's it for cash envelopes. And then in bills, every week I put $220 into rent. For our apartment, gas bill is going to be getting $5, as well as electric and water. Our payment category is going to be getting $20, and that is for our mattress payment, as well as I'm going to start setting up Chewy to auto ship the Miles' new prescription food. So I'm going to bulk that up. I have food for him now, but I plan on doing that next month. So I want to have money in there to pay for that. Next is sinking funds. Bank of America credit card, we don't stuff. That's just if I need to pull money from my sinking funds to put in the bank to transfer to my credit card. Our challenge always gets $25. Date is going to be getting $40 just because it's low. Fun as well. I plan on going out with my friend this weekend, so I just want to have a little extra money in there to get drinks. For gifts, we're going to be doing $10. I don't plan on needing to buy anybody gifts anytime soon, but I just want to save up for the next birthday. I think the next birthday is my mom's, which is not till November, so I have time. So holidays, I want to put 50. I mentioned in my past video, a plane ticket's going to be at least $400 just for me. My boyfriend's parents also live in Florida, so we're going to have to figure out our travel situation. And then I also need to save money for presents and stuff, so I'm going to have to start putting more money into that. Next is online, which is going to be getting $50. $50. I keep buying stuff on Amazon. My boyfriend, he hasn't given me any money to stuff, so I'm just gonna leave that blank for now. And that he's trying to save up for a car down payment. Next is gonna be savings, which I'm just gonna be putting $100 in there because I restarted my sinking fund for my savings account. I do have a savings account linked to my bank that collects interest, and I'm trying to gain another $1,000 to deposit in there so that can gain interest. So once this gets to 1,000, I will be depositing that into my long-term savings account. Tattoo is gonna get $20. Woof is for our future dog, and they are gonna be getting $40. And then Winter is just going to be getting $10. And I mentioned if I don't use all that money to buy winter clothes, like coats and scarves, gloves, whatever I need. I've never experienced winter before. I'm from Florida and I just moved to New Jersey. So I'm just planning ahead and trying to save up as much money as I think I'm going to need. And if I don't end up using that, it's going to go into holidays for gifts and travel and everything like that. So that's it for sinking funds. And then I already went ahead and filled out my 40-week challenge is going to be getting $50, $25 from me and $25 from my boyfriend. And then so far in the dollar challenge, I have $5 this week. And then if you are interested in the coins, I do that on my IGTV, and I'm planning on filming that probably Friday or Saturday. And then the next thing I do is go over to my cash breakdown, which I literally just took a screenshot of this and put it over here to do the planning just because all the categories were already there, so I thought it would be easier. So I'm just going to take the lasso tool here and just copy all these numbers and paste up. Oh, it took the whole thing. I mean, that's fine, I guess. I'll just overlay it, honestly. Perfect. All right. So that works. Oh, also I started a new sinking fund called Oh Shit, which I did not add to this yet. I'll just put that $60. My friend is making me some new envelopes, which is really exciting. And whenever those come, I'll add the $60. But for now, I'll just put it to the side in my binder, and you'll see that when I do my cash stuffing. So now we're going to do our cash breakdown. So I usually go to the ATM to get my money, and they don't do 50s, 5s, or 1s. So I try to do 100s, 20s, and 10s. And then I'll make change with my wallet for 5s and stuff. So for groceries, we're going to do 2 20s and a 10. Eating out is going to get one $20 bill. These 3 10s are just going to get a $10 bill, $20 bill, 100. I'll just put a $100 bill in shopping and I'll break it. Miles is gonna have 2 20s. Same with home. Rent, I always do 2 100s and a 20. And then for the rest of the bills that are getting $5, we're just gonna do $5 bills. Payment category can get a $20 bill. Challenge gets a 20 and a 5. Date night is going to get 2 20s. Fun is going to get 2 20s. Gifts is going to get one $10 bill. Holiday is going to get 2 20s and a 10. Oh shit can get 3 $20 bills. Online, 2 20s and one 10. Savings can just get a $100 bill. Tattoo is going to get a $20 bill. Woof, 2 $20 bills. And then Winter is going to get a $10 bill. So after I do that, I just count up. So 1, 2, 3. This is $400 for 4. And 4 $100 bills is $400. 20s, we need 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And I used to have like the amount breakdown over here, but I don't really need it because I just use the amounts to go to the ATM anyway. So 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s. So that all adds up to 1,000. And then that is everything I do for budgeting and planning before my stuffings. If you have any questions, please let me know down below and I'd be happy to answer them. I've been getting like a lot of comments on my budgeting sheets. I do make them myself. If you're interested, I would love to do one for you. All I really need is like a theme of what colors you would want, and maybe if you want to grab a stock photo somewhere, I could do like how I have with the clouds or the marble. And yeah, so just DM me on Instagram, which I will link on the screen, and then I also always have it in the description below. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys have a great day or week or whatever. Bye. See you in the next one.